You skip brushing for one day. Nothing happens, right? But by day 30, your teeth might start falling apart. On the first day, a transparent film starts covering your teeth. You might not notice it visually, but it already begins to change how your teeth reflect light. By the third day, this film becomes more visible. The brightness of your smile fades, and some areas may start to look slightly yellow. By the seventh day, the surface of your teeth is no longer smooth. The layer thickens, and when you touch it, it feels rough or uneven. After 2 weeks, the areas around your teeth begin to change color, reddish tones and darker stains start to appear. Your smile doesn't look as clean or healthy anymore. By the 21st day, the built-up layer hardens. The line between your teeth and gums becomes more noticeable and rough, and the shape of each tooth may start to look different. By the 30th day, the lower parts of your teeth may appear more exposed. Greenish and brownish patches can form, and your teeth may begin to lose stability, even becoming loose. So, not brushing for a month doesn't just affect your appearance, it can completely change the structure and look of your smile.